Dear student, I hope that you will be fine and safe at your home. Today I am going to explain 3 slides which are part of your practical examination. These slides are striated muscles, blood smear of human and bone. So these slides you have to examine with the help of microscope and identifying these slides and comments on it. So first I will going to explain the striated muscles. Striated muscles and skeletal muscles. The skeletal muscle is called skeletal muscles because of these muscles are attached to bones and help in locomotion and movement. Second, why it is called striated muscles? Because of the alternate dark and light bands are present. So this is called, that's why it is called striated muscles. So these muscles are found in bundles. So each muscles fiber having alternate dark and light bands. That is identifying features, so by which you can easily identify. Second, the shape of the skeletal muscle fiber is cylindrical shape. And second and third one is multinucleated nucleus. The essential nucleus is present. Fourth point is the muscles, striated muscles are voluntary in nature. So these muscles, striated muscles, are found in limbs, pharynx, tongue and beginning of esophagus. Next slide is of human blood smear. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. In the human body is around 5 to 5.5 liter blood is found. The blood, there are the two components of blood. Number one, blood plasma and formed elements. Blood plasma is alkaline intracellular substance which constitutes around 55% of total blood. Blood plasma also contains albumin, globulins, fibrinogens, proteins. Second, the formed elements. There are the 3 formed elements. Number one, RBC, which is also called erythrocytes, WBC, the white blood corpuscles. Further, WBCs are divided into 2 parts, agranulocytes and granulocytes. Granulocytes are having 3 types. Number one, eosinophils, basophils and neutrophils. When you examine the blood and with the help of the microscope, then you will find eosinophil is a bilobed nucleus, basophils is a trilobed, and neutrophils having multilobed nucleus. Number one, eosinophils. Eosinophils responds to allergy. When some antigens enters in your body, then eosinophils responds. Second, the basophils. The basophils release histamine, serotonin and heparin. Third one is neutrophil, which is a multilobed nuclei and phagocytic in nature. Third one, granulocytes. The agranulocytes, there are the 2 kinds of agranulocytes, the monocytes and lymphocytes. So you have to identify by the shape of the nucleus. The B-shaped nucleus is there present and it is monocyte. If there is a rounded, it is called lymphocytes. The monocytes are phagocytic in nature and lymphocytes produce immunoglobulins. Third is the blood platelets. Blood platelets help in blood clotting. Another RBCs. RBCs are the 4.5 to 5.5 million RBCs are present per cubic millimeter. RBCs are biconcave in shape in human blood and non-nucleated, and also having hemoglobin, which is help in transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Thank you. Another slide is of human bone. Human bone is non-pliable, hard skeletal connective tissue. The bone is composed of matrix and cells. Fibers are not found in bones. Bones having a matrix. Inside the matrix, there are some inorganic material is present, just like calcium carbonate, magnesium phosphate, calcium phosphates, which makes bones too hard. Second, inside the matrix, there is a Haversian canal is present. Inside the canal, there is an artery, vein, lymphatic vessels, and nerve supply to the Haversian canal. Around the Haversian canals, there are cells which are present in concentric rings. These cells are called osteocytes. The adjacent osteocytes are connected by canaliculum. Second, there are the 206 bones are present in human skeletal system. Bones are reservoirs of minerals, makes frameworks, gives body shape, and bones, the RBCs are also formed in bone marrow.